This 2020 Jayco Jay Flight SLX 8284 BHS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 33 feet 5 inches in length and features a brown interior, sleeps 10, spare tire kit, leveling jacks, air conditioning, stovetop burner, auxiliary battery, skylight, refrigerator, LP detector, external shower, smoke detector, and 38 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Jayco Jay Flight SLX 8284 BHS is 6,377 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.